Wow, is this a beautiful shot of Mount Rainier or what? Hello, Falava, everyone. Hope you can see us. It's pretty dark in here. It is 4:28 in the morning. So we got up super early. I'm with my best buddy and my girlfriend, Maka. Mwah. We're going to go about 2 hours up into Pierce County over towards central Washington and drive way up in the mountains and enjoy a little breakfast way up in the mountains together. So thank you so much for joining us. Let's get started. All right, we've been driving for about 2 hours and 21 minutes. So I stopped by a gas station. I'm just going to show you what we take with us when we go up into the mountains. So I definitely take a can of bear spray. There are bears up where we're going, and also mountain lions as well. I take a nice sharp hatchet. That way, if there's some branches or trees, small trees falling down in the road, I can chop them up so we can get there. And let me show you how I cook. So first off, when we go in the mountains, we have our traction boards with us. And if I get stuck up there for a day or two, we have our tent. This is a pop-up tent. My wife and 2 kids and the dog and cat all fit up in here. It pops straight up. As far as the back of the truck, I always have 2 large containers of fresh water. Always bring a couple of fishing poles and a fishing net. And then all my cooking equipment is kept right in here. So the drawers pull right out. Got a mat here. Got my Coleman. Got some MREs. Fire starter kits. Cooking spray. I won't pull all this out, but I have my my spices in there. Okay, we'll push this one back. You also have a measuring up here. If you want to measure how big your fish is. You've got a bottle opener, which comes in handy sometimes. On this side, I have my propane air pressure, so I can lower down when I get on the rough roads. Over here, I got other cooking equipment, like plates and all that stuff. Over here, I have freezing what do you call this, sleeping bag that you can sleep in freezing with, another bear spray. My eggs are in there, a sleeping pad, and way back there, I don't know if you can see it, is my portable toilet. My wife makes sure I have to bring that with her because she's not going in the woods. All right, we're all set up. Let's get back in the truck. We're only about 4 miles away from the forest entrance. We are about 4 miles from the entrance. We are currently in central Washington, and it'll be a little foggy still when we get up into the mountains at the beginning. But the sun will come out, and I'll show you the most beautiful view of Mount Rainier in the entire state. All right, let's get rolling. So just so you know, when we get up to the mountains, going on the gravel, if you want to be a YouTuber and want to film shots like this, it takes a lot of running. I stop the truck, I run way up there, set my camera, run all the way back, and then keep on driving. So you can see it's really foggy right now, but I can see above us the sunshine is above the cloud line, and we are going above the cloud line. And I cannot wait to show you how beautiful the Pacific Northwest and Washington State is. Wow. Is this a beautiful shot of Mount Rainier or what? So peaceful up here. I have not seen a single other person so far. While me and Maka enjoyed the view for a few minutes, I decided it's time to go. I need to find a place that's wide enough for her to walk and wide enough for us to make our breakfast. I am starving. And by the way, if you've made it this far in the video and you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. We would sure appreciate it. And mucho alofas to all my subscribers and viewers. All right, I found a beautiful river where Maka could walk and use the bathroom. And then we found a wide spot where I could make us some breakfast. I'll show you Maka's walk after we eat. By the way, this part of the video, I like to call it a Maka mukbang. Enjoy watching her eat her turkey. And now for the next minute or so, let's relax and enjoy what I like to call ASMR ASMR cooking breakfast. Okay, all my sisters and my Usos, I hope you enjoyed that ASMR moment. I probably won't be doing that again. I love to talk too much. By the way, this hill was so hard to walk up. It was steeper than what it looks. But man, thank you so much. The channel is growing, all thanks to all of you. My initial inspirations were Cooking with Rona and Faye Vids and Pule family out west. Thank you so much. And there was many others too, like Meals with Mills. And I can't name all of you here, but you know who you are. And I love each and every one of you from the bottom of my heart. And I am so sincere about that. God bless all of you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry that I didn't show my wife and kids this video, but trust me, about this time right now, it's about 9 o'clock in the morning, where we're walking over here by this log and by the little creek. And trust me, my family didn't wake up till about 10:30. So they didn't miss anything. They were in Slumberville. So, Fatay Lava so much. And Tofa Sefu. We'll see you next time. Peace.